Jai Hind, I am Lady Cadet Pallavi from Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College, Bongir. Today in this session, I am going to introduce a whole new world, a world of physics. In this beautiful planet that we call Earth, there are a lot of interesting events that will take place. These events are around us which we see or do or experience almost regularly. At some point in time, your curiosity would have definitely got the better of you and would have pushed you to the questions like what's going on, how does it happen, living the miracles of God. The answer to all these questions is physics. To appreciate the events that you see, you have to understand the events you don't see. Let's make it simple by looking into few everyday life examples. First, let me take sound. Alarm. It is very annoying yet important sound which tells us to wake up. Sound is something which we can't see but can hear or experience. Sound is used in important medical equipment like ultrasound scanner and in ships to estimate the depth of the ocean. Physics studies the origin, propagation and properties of sound. Next, coming to the next everyday life example, that is heat. To have a cup of coffee, we boil water. It starts boiling and we see steam. Here the property used is heat. Heat is used in the industry to melt metals and make various types like automobiles and generators. It is also used in household appliances like electric or steam iron. Heat and its properties is an important topic in physics as well. Next, coming to the next everyday life example, that is friction. While we take a walk on the tar road, we have good grip without slipping because of a sort of roughness or resistance between shoes and the surface of the road. This resistibility or this friction, this is responsible for the grip that is called friction. It is also called traction. But if we are busy on our cell phones or waving at our friends, we do not notice the banana peel in front of us. What makes us fall? Apart from all the absent-mindedness due to reduced friction between our shoes and the road because of the slippery banana peel. Friction is an important factor in making tires is also explained by physics. And the next everyday life example which plays a major role, that is gravity. We have all observed apples falling from a tree or balloons floating away in air. How this is possible? Apples fall down while the balloons float up. This is nothing to be puzzled about. The answer is simple. Our Earth has a kind of a pull that attracts each and every object to its surface. This pull is called gravity or gravitational force, which keeps every object grounded to the surface of the Earth and prevents them from floating away. This is why apples fall to the ground and people on the Earth do not fall into the space. Apples fall to the ground. This is due to gravity or gravitational force. So why do the balloon float away and not fall to the ground? Again, it's not a big deal. We know that the air is light. So imagine something which is lighter than air. Like say, helium gas is filled into a balloon. Because it is light, it rises to a level higher than air and it works against gravity. In fact, gravity is an event that was studied by Sir Isaac Newton, who was considered as one of the fathers of physics. And next everyday life example, that is magnetism. When we use a compass, we notice that the direction of the needle is constant. That needle points in only one direction, that is north. This is because of force of attraction between two oppositely charged ends called magnets. All materials which follow magnetism are called magnets. Next, coming to the next thing, that is force. What do we do when we open or close the door? We use force. Force is something that we use on a daily basis. Almost all tasks we have to take like brushing or pushing buttons or playing keyboard or playing with a cell phone, we use force. Force is also involved in various processes like coughing, sneezing and also in blood flow. Simply, force is nothing but the pressure exerted by the body due to another body. Sports like swimming, running also employ force. There are many properties like electric current, right, which also come in our everyday life examples. Till now I have explained all the everyday examples of physics, but let me explain exactly what is physics. The word physics comes from a Greek word. Physis means nature. Physics is nothing but knowledge of nature. Physics is nothing but a study of nature and the universe on the whole and the various occurrences or events takes place. Physics is a fundamental science which involves all seen and unseen events. It's a scope, it is not only within but it is also beyond the world. Thank you. Jai Hind.